In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your settings effectively in Microsoft Edge, focusing on a particular option that controls background activity. Whether you're looking to conserve system resources or simply streamline your browser's performance, understanding these settings can make a significant difference. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. If you're not already there, that's your first step. Just find the Edge icon and click to launch your web browser. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three dots arranged vertically. This is your key to accessing the Edge menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you various options, but for now we need to focus on Settings. Find Settings in that list and give it a click. Now that you're in the Settings panel, things can get a bit overwhelming with all the options available. But don't worry, we're here to streamline your focus. Over on the left side of this window, there's a menu. You're going to want to click on the section labeled System and Performance. This area is crucial for managing how Edge interacts with your computer's resources. With System and Performance selected, your next move is to look within its options and find one labeled System. Let's dive into that. In this System section, you'll be on the lookout for the option that says Continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. This particular setting is important if you're trying to conserve system resources or battery life on your device. You might wonder why this option is there. Essentially, Edge, like many browsers, can continue to run some processes even when it seems to be closed. This can be handy for certain extensions, but may not always be what you want. To modify this setting, take a look at the toggle switch to the right of the option. When the switch is highlighted, it means the feature is enabled. If you click the toggle, you'll turn it off, preventing Edge from keeping those background processes active once you close the browser. And that's it. This simple adjustment can help manage how Edge interacts with your computer's performance, especially if you're noticing that your system is running slower than usual, or if you're trying to extend battery life on a laptop. Remember, you can always come back to this spot in Settings if you wish to change this option again, or explore other features within Edge. With just these few clicks, you've taken a step towards optimizing your browsing experience, giving you a more efficient and speedy workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos where we delve into more settings and features to get the most out of your applications and